How to see old Google Maps satellite images on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Google Earth app. Once you're here, go to the top right corner and tap on the Base Map Settings icon. On this page, go to the Type section and tap on Satellite. Then, scroll down to the More Visual section. Here, turn on the Historical Imagery switch as shown. With this setting, you can explore Google's catalog of historical imagery of the planet. As you can see, you can now view the historical imagery view along with the date and time. Zoom in to find the specific areas you are looking for. Once you find the location, tap on that area on the map. Here, you can view the location details such as the location name, photo, and more. Following these steps, you can easily see old Google Maps satellite images on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.